Hello friends, welcome to the Tech channel. So fresh, today I will talk about ASUS ProArt PA602 chassis. So friend, ASUS introduces the ProArt PA602 case, and this case is designed for professionals seeking top-tier performance, and this case excels in cooling, featuring a front panel optimized for a maximum air intake, a robust 140 mm rear fan, and dual 200 mm front fans allow peak support for a 420 mm radiator, and these features guarantee exceptional cooling efficiency, making it an ideal choice for demanding applications. And the ProArt PA602 simplifies PC assembly with innovative design elements, offering ample clearance for large components, and it accommodates motherboards up to 12-inch long and 10.9-inch wide, and its generous CPU height limit of 190 mm provides compatibility with most models. And friend, for those considering water cooling, the case support radiator up to 420 mm, ensuring high-end cooling capabilities. Storage options are equally impressive with support for up to 8 2.5-inch SSDs and 4 drives compatible with 3.5-inch HDDs, and the case also minimizes the need for tools, allowing for easy access with button-activated side panels and a unique ASUS mechanism for installing PCIe add-ons, cards without screwdriver. And friend, this chassis enhances everyday use with a range of thoughtful features, including a variety of USB ports on the front I/O panel, mechanism power button lock to prevent accidental presses, and removable rust filters on the front, top, and bottom. And friend, if I talk about the price, it will become with a recommended retail price of 229.90 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.